Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Real Wisdom Artificial Intelligence. So let's go ahead and get started for today. Today is December 8th, and I'm on my way back from Tarifa, heading to India here at the Gibraltar airport. You can see the rock of Gibraltar in my back, and it is kind of an apt setting for today. So let's go ahead and get started. Sadhguru's Insight on the Miracle of Mind app today read, it is not because of fear that you have ego. It is because of ego that you have fear. So this, along with, I had a wonderful meeting yesterday in Sharifa with entrepreneur building alternates way of living in the eco farm, Johnny, and they'll stay tuned for more on that. There will be something that I'll be working on with him further. So we talked about the concept of atoms and bits and what is material reality versus immaterial reality, and discussed my take on real wisdom artificial intelligence as well as his take on what he believes uh, is a extractive economy in the digital world and how that needs to evolve to a win-win economy where when we look at things in the immaterial world, we can all win together. It is very similar to what I've been talking about in terms of the scenario from race to conscious grid. So ego effectively, as a Sadhguru also says, comes from being attached to perceived realities that I've talked about in the past and memories which create artificial construct of who we are bigger than the rock of Gibraltar behind me, and we get so attached to that. However, if we can use our memories to advance what we really want to do in terms of our purpose, what gives us joy, that is the value of the memory. It is not to get attached with the memories and create a artificial ego and then just trying to protect it. That's what drives fear. And that is the type of ego that we all construct and then just get attached to the past memories, which end up defining who we are. And if we can let go of that and realize the difference between what we are perceiving as a reality based on the identities and that we've constructed based on these memories, we can all operate freely out of joy in the present moment. That is something only humans can do. AI is wonderful in terms of working and making use of the memories, especially and in the digital realm right now. So it is a wonderful ally for us to do that so that we don't get artificially attached to the perceived identities taken on through these memories. With that, today's dose of Rashmi is unconscious intelligence gets attached to perceived realities and identities created based on memories. Wisdom, on the other hand, is knowing the difference between the real reality versus the perceived reality created through memories and the identities that we create based on the memories. Thank you.